There is nothing worse than being in a rush and hearing that hollow click when you turn your ignition key. It is the classic sign of a battery giving up, usually at the worst possible moment. Batteries degrade silently. By the time you notice the symptoms, the damage to the state of health is often already done. Most of us just drive until we can't anymore, but it doesn't have to be that way. This is where a dedicated monitor comes in. The ANCEL BM200 PRO is a 12V battery analyzer that essentially gives your car a voice, letting you see exactly how your battery is performing via your smartphone. The tool tracks two vital stats: state of charge, which is how much power you have right now, and state of health, which tells you how much life the battery has left in total. Knowing both prevents guesswork. It isn't just about the battery itself. This device also helps you monitor your charging system. You can verify if your alternator is doing its job correctly while you are driving, which is a huge benefit for long-term vehicle care. Before you pick one up, always check your vehicle's compatibility. While it is designed for standard 12V systems, verifying your specific battery chemistry and terminal layout ensures you won't have any installation surprises. With over 450 units reported in current order volumes, it is clear many users are testing these out. Look for feedback from owners who have similar vehicle models to yours to see how the connection stability holds up. Currently, the market shows prices around $40, often with significant discounts. It is a practical price point for a diagnostic tool, but always confirm the latest price and any specific shipping details for your region. When you get yours, inspect the build quality of the cable connectors. A secure, clean contact point is essential for getting accurate voltage readings. If the app shows erratic data, it is almost always a contact issue. If you prefer data over guesswork, this could be a great addition to your maintenance kit. Check the details, compare it with other diagnostic options, and see if it fits your specific car needs before committing.